The brand new Royal Kensington Hydroblast is the fast and easy way to wash your car, motorbike or mountain bike, clean your house, paths and driveway, and so much more. Here to tell you more about it is the creator himself, Brendan McCarthy.
Do you want an easier way of washing your car than spending hours with a soapy old bucket and a rag? You need the Royal Kensington Hydroblast, the cordless, rechargeable, portable, high-pressure washer gun. Look how easy it is. Put the Hydroblast hose in a bucket of water, then connect it. Add your favorite car shampoo in this bottle at the end, and then just pull the trigger. Now you're hydroblasting and deep cleaning your car using the power of the Hydroblast high-pressure gun to force the water from that bucket and the shampoo from the bottle right into the pores of the paint and force out all that ingrained dirt and grime. And look at how quickly it covered the whole entire car. Now simply remove the shampoo bottle off the end, add on the wide-angle spray nozzle. Now you can easily and very quickly hydroblast all that shampoo off, using its high-pressure, powerful spray to blast water onto the surface, meaning no more spending hours using dirty rags and brushes. Now you don't have to go to that effort. Wow! Look at how amazing this looks. So stop paying hundreds of dollars for car washes and cleaning services when you can do it yourself with the fast, fun and easy way with the cordless, rechargeable, portable, high-pressure washer gun, the Royal Kensington Hydroblast.